If your Honda CR-V is refusing to start, don't panic. Most of the time, the fix is simpler than you think. Statistically, nearly half of all no-start conditions in these vehicles come down to a failing 12-volt battery. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find exactly why your engine isn't turning over. Always start by checking your battery terminals for corrosion and making sure the car is fully in park. If your lights are bright but the engine won't crank, your starter motor is likely the primary suspect. If the car died while driving or won't hold a charge after a jump, check your charging system. Know when to grab a wrench and when it is time to call a professional for complex electrical work. Repair costs vary wildly depending on whether you are just swapping a battery or replacing a fuel pump. For stubborn issues, use an OBD2 scanner to see if the computer is reporting a sensor failure. Keeping a few basic tools in your Honda can save you from an expensive and unnecessary tow. Remember to verify the simple stuff first before you go out and buy an expensive new starter motor. Hopefully this guide helps you get your CR-V back on the road today. Safe driving out there.